What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat. First and foremost, I want to thank you guys for all of the love that you've been showing on this New York Comic Con mini series, I guess, that I've been doing. If you haven't seen the first video, it was 5 tips before you go to New York City Comic Con. Then the second video, which went out yesterday, was my experience at New York City Comic Con. I did go to the convention Thursday and Friday, but if you haven't seen those 2 videos already, I will link them at the end of this video, so make sure that you watch them. Today, right now, we are here to do the fun part, and that is my New York City Comic Con haul video that I promised you guys. I cannot wait to get into these 2 bags that I have. So the way I'm going to break this down is basically everything that I bought on Thursday I have in one bag, and everything that I bought on Friday is in another bag. So here's Thursday's bag. I put everything that I bought on Thursday into this Funko Shop Booth bag that I got. And then everything that I got Friday is in this Funko Booth bag that I have over here. We do have a lot of things to go over, so let's jump into what I picked up first, and that will be Thursday at the Funko Shop Booth. I did have a 12 o'clock slot that I won in the NYCC lottery, so I was able to pick up these Funko Pops here. I put them in this box so that they don't get damaged. If you purchase any Funko Pops from the convention, I do suggest that you just pick up the boxes that people are throwing out all over the place. Booths are throwing out boxes, especially the Funko booth, because they have tons and tons of them back there, and they'll just keep your Funkos protected and safe until you can get home and display them or store them or whatever. I picked up 4 Funkos from the Funko Shop exclusives, and the first one we're going to talk about is Missandei from Game of Thrones. And on the back, of course, you can see the rest of the Pops that are also in that set. The next one I got is one that I think the Funko team did a really good job on, and that is Hero Killer Stain. This Funko looks really good. Give you guys a look at the back. In my opinion, this one, Hero Killer Stain and Dabi, or Dabi, however you say it, from My Hero Academia, were 2 of the best looking Funko Pop exclusives. They look really, really good. This one that I got is kind of a throwback. I haven't seen this movie in forever, but it is a movie that I really enjoy, and that is The Warriors. So this is Baseball Fury from The Warriors. Hopefully the light isn't glaring off of these too much and you guys can actually see them. On the back of the box, there are no other Funkos featured, but I do not think that Baseball Fury is going to be the last Warriors Pop that we see, and I'm excited to get the rest of them because I really do like that movie. This next one is one that people absolutely went crazy for, and that is the Pink Chrome Batman. There you go. The box is in really good condition on all of them. So this is the Pink Chrome Batman. I told you guys, I promised you guys that I had some heat in the Funko bag, and I did not disappoint, hopefully. There you go. This is one that I will be selling. Unfortunately, I'm just not going to keep this in my collection after seeing the prices that this goes for. It's currently going for $370, so I'm just not going to keep this in my collection. I'm going to sell it and use the money towards sneakers, more Funkos, whatever I feel like spending it on. But I just don't, I wouldn't feel right holding this in my collection just as a display piece, knowing how much it's worth. So as I told you guys, the next place I went on Thursday was FYE. I picked up 2 Funko Pops from the FYE booth, and they are the Halloween Stitch. I think this one was just really cute. Like, he has a pumpkin and a cape, and that's just another movie that I enjoyed as a child. I don't buy Funko Pops for the hype or anything like that. Like, I buy them because I enjoy the show, movie, whatever it is, and I want to display it in my room somehow, some way. So there it is, Halloween Stitch. The next one I picked up is Tracksuit Jerry. I really like Rick and Morty. It's a show that I think I've watched the whole thing through 2 or 3 times now. It never gets old. It's just really, really funny. There you go. This is, in my opinion, one of the funniest shows that Adult Swim has on their channel right now. This show is hilarious if you haven't seen it. Rick and Morty. There's everyone else in the collection. And there is Tracksuit Jerry. And that is really all I picked up on Thursday. I'm happy with my pickups. Let me know down below, did you cop any of the same things? Were you looking for any of the same things? Let me know. Let's talk about it down below in the comment section. So I told you guys Friday morning that the first place I wanted to go was the Fugitive Toys booth to see if they had any of the exclusives left. And they did. They had the one that I wanted, which was the orange glow tiny ghost figure. I definitely should have asked them for a bag because this actually had like a little tear in it from being inside my bag without any kind of protection or anything like that. But I am going to take this out of the box and rip the plastic off anyway because this is going to be displayed in my room. But yeah, so the Fugitive Toys exclusive Tiny Ghost in the orange glow edition. If you aren't familiar with Tiny Ghosts, they're really cool. Look into them. Then I actually went back to the FYE booth because there's something I just couldn't get out of my head and I couldn't shake. This is an artist that I've actually been following on Instagram for a while now, looking at his work, and I think it's just really cool. It kind of keeps with the Halloween theme. It's different and that's why I like it. So I'm going to open that up and show it to you guys. It is a kill cat. So it's wrapped up like a regular Kit Kat. It has an expiration date and everything, but it is a kill cat if you've seen that. And basically it is like a zombie or dead Kit Kat inside of here. And I'm going to rip it open for you guys because I'm going to display it in my room anyways. Here it is, the kill cat. So as I said, it is a dead or zombie, however you want to put it, Kit Kat. And I just think that is so cool. Like, look at their faces. He has like the blood dripping down from his mouth. This one's biting his lip. It has a really nice feel to it. It's a nice texture. Feels very well made. And I've been following this artist for quite some time, looking at his work. He has the kill cat, and then he also has like these dead Hershey Kisses. This is just really, really cool, and again, it's different. So this one that I picked up is the one that I don't remember what booth this was from. It was just from like a Funko vendor, or one of the Funko vendors, I should say. He was in like the 2000 row or 2000 aisle. So if you know what vendor I'm talking about by some chance, you could drop their name down below. This one is actually a grail that I've been looking at for quite some time, but the prices were always just a little bit too high for what I wanted to pay for a Funko Pop. But that's what Comic-Con does. You're in the move, you're in the groove, and you're just like, you know what, I'm gonna pull the trigger, and that's exactly what I did. So this pop is from the Disney Hercules set, and it is Hades. It's the Chase Red Glow. So instead of being blue, he's red because, you know, when he gets mad, he turns red and the hair goes up in flames. So that's exactly what this is. I don't have the blue one or the blue with glow blue hair. I've been waiting on this red one with the glowing red hair, and I'm so excited that I finally got it. As you can see, that sticker says $85. Last year when I checked, these were going for over $100, but the price dropped. I did bargain with the vendor a little bit, and I ended up paying $75 for this, which I'm not mad at. A little bit of money off goes a long way. After taxes, it was $82 and change, so I can't be mad at that. And again, it's one that I really wanted, one that I consider to be a grail. I did go through Artist Alley twice this year, but the only piece that I could find that I was actually excited about was this one, which is kind of like a rendition of the Arrow team as kids. So if you can see, Renee, Felicity, and you got Little Arrow, and he's like carving in fail into his desk. I just think it's really cute. I can't wait to put it up with the rest of my stuff. I got a lot of pieces from Artist Alley last year that I still have to hang up in my room. It's just that they're all different sizes, and I'm trying to find some way to put them together coherently. And that is it, you guys. That is all I got from New York City Comic Con 2019. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching the other 2 videos that I did on New York City Comic Con. Again, if you haven't seen them, I will link them at the end of this video. Make sure you watch them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Show a small YouTuber some love. It really does help pushes out the video so that more people can see it and see what I'm doing over here on this channel. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.